Hello everyone, today we have some more foamy fun. A year ago, some of you may remember that I set myself a New Year's resolution to fly more foamies. I started with the RC Factory Crack Yak, then moved on to the Mini Yak, and here we have the Edge 540. I've had it for way too long, this video is long overdue, so let's get straight into it. The basic build was done with all of the stock components recommended and provided by RC Factory. The only thing that I did end up changing after a couple of flights were the servos. I found that the ones that came as standard were fine probably for most people, but for me they were just a little bit too slow. So I swapped them out and exchanged them for the MKS DS95s all the way round. That meant taking out the initial servos that had all been hot glued in, so needed to melt some of that glue off to be able to install those brand new, nice and much faster MKS DS95s. Once we had that done, the plane really changed for me. It really came alive and became a whole load of fun, as I'm going to show you. And there you have it. As you can see, this is a really agile, fun plane. It does move away from the standard foamy shock flyer. It's a little bit heavier, it's got a little bit more surface, and it flies all that much more like a larger airplane, which is great for practicing, especially those more aggressive manoeuvres that standard lighter foam planes normally kind of struggle with. The power for this came from OptiPower 1300 3S LiPo battery packs, and I did end up changing the prop as well, which changed to an APC 11 by 4.6 SF as recommended by a few fellow RC Factory pilots. Really gets the most out of this motor compared to the one that comes as standard. So if you're going to go with this combo, definitely get that prop as well. It really makes a massive difference and gives it some real punch out power. Anyway, I hope you've enjoyed this video as much as I've enjoyed flying the plane, even if it did take us too long to get this video made. If you did, leave us a like, subscribe if you aren't already. Any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them below, and I'll see you all next time. I'm Martin Pickering, and I really hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, consider subscribing to the channel for more videos like this one. Subscribing is always free and just means that YouTube shows you my latest videos once uploaded and you won't miss out. So hit that subscribe button now. While at it, why not check out my super cool new lineup of t-shirt designs like this one, all available in my online merch store with worldwide shipping. With several designs and colours to choose between, I'm sure that you'll love at least one of them. Anyway, thanks for watching, and I'll see you all in the next one.